everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmo Software, and today I'm going to explain you how to add customers. So let's start. Just click on sales module, then select submodule of customer, then just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. If you want to export multiple customers data, then you can export it through export to CSV and export to Excel. To create new customer, click on add customer option. Just add name of customer. I'm just adding Andy over here. Then add email of that customer. Then add address. Then select the currency. All required fields were filled. Then if you want to add optional details, you can add it and just save it. Your new customer will be created and you can easily view it, delete that customer's entry, and you can also perform multiple actions through this action against that customer, and you can quick search through this filter and refresh using this refresh button. So that's it. Thank you. If you get any query to add customer, then please contact us at the sunmosoftware.com.